How to use diesel generator set safely in high temperature weather in summer. In hot summer and hot weather, we should pay attention to 3 precautions when using diesel generator sets. 1. It is strictly forbidden to start the diesel generator with load. Before starting the diesel generator, pay attention to that the output air switch of the generator must be closed. 2. Pay attention to the working state of the diesel generator set during operation. Pay attention to a series of possible faults during the operation of the diesel generator set, especially the changes of oil pressure, water temperature, oil temperature, voltage, frequency and other important factors. 3. It is strictly forbidden to shut down the diesel generator set with load. Before each shutdown, the load must be cut off gradually, then the output air switch of the generator set must be turned off, and the diesel engine shall be slowed down to idle speed for about 3-5 minutes. Before shutdown. Dingbo Power can provide high-quality diesel generator sets such as Shanghai, Yashai, Weikai, Volvo, Cummins and Perkins, and provide professional high-quality pre-sales and after-sales service system. Welcome to consult and order.